So as you seen, we already got the motor out. It's right there. Already got started on cleaning it. And cleaning the engine bay out right now. Trying to prep everything for paint. And this looks like it's gonna be a lot of hard work. So I'm getting ready to start primering the engine bay already. That's my ghetto masking job right there. Clean metal primer on the top of the radiator support so far. And down there where the welds was at. I had about 3/4 of a can of primer. And it's gone already. And all I got to do is this. I actually forgot to show you guys, this is how we welded it on. And on the inside right here. Just bought the paint that I'm gonna be using for the engine bay. It's supposed to be the same color as the car, but we'll see right now. But I wasn't gonna record it because I'm kind of tired of doing time-lapse videos, but why not go ahead and record it. I got it all painted. You can see that it is the same color right here. Looks pretty good.